Now see, this is an example of Turing machine. This language is given, language equal to a power n b power n such that n greater than equal to 1. Okay, the question is design Turing machine for the given language. This language is given and question is construct or design Turing machine for this given language. If n equal to 1, then a followed by b is a string. If n equal to 2, then 2a followed by 2b is a string. If n equal to 3, then 3a followed by 3b is a string. Okay, means equal number of a followed by equal number of b. Okay, now see, AB is a string, AABB, 3 times A, 3 times B, 4 times A, 4 times B, means equal number of A and equal number of B, and all A followed by all B. These all are the string of this language. Okay, now see, this is the model of Turing machine. This is a tape. This is a tape. Okay, take any one input, AABB, 3 times A, 3 times B, 4 times any one. I am taking this one. This is a bigger one. 4 times A, 4 times B. Right here, 4 times A. Okay. Then 4 times B. Okay. And after that, tape is blank. Tape is there is nothing on the tape. So write B. B means blank. Okay. Write B, and so on. In the right hand side of the string also. In the left hand side, before A, there is nothing on the tape. So write B blank in the left hand side also. This is a infinite V in the right hand side, and there are infinite V on the left hand side on the tape. Okay, but the finite control will start from the first symbol of the input, because there are 4A followed by 4B, equal number of A and equal number of B. Okay, so this is the first symbol A. This A is a first symbol of the input of the string. So finite control will start from this position. Okay, now see, we are at state q0. Suppose that if input is A, make it x in place of A, make it write x and move right. The meaning of this statement is, if finite controller will receive input A, then make A as x, and this finite control will move in the right direction. R means right, L means left. Okay, if there is A, make it x, move right. If there is A, then make it x and move right. That is why I am writing input is A, make it x, move right. Now we are at a state q1. If input is again A, keep it A and move right. If input is A, keep it A and move right. Do not change, because we are searching for first B. This is a first A, and we are searching for corresponding first B. Okay, so if there is input A, keep it A and move right. That is why I am writing, if input is A, keep it A and move right. We are at the same state. We are not moving to any another new state. We are at the same state. If input is A, keep it A and move right. Okay, there may be a number of A. If input is A, again keep it A and move right. Finite control will move in next input of the tape. Again, if input is A, keep it A and move right. If input is A, keep it A, move right, because there is a loop. If input is A, keep it A and move right. Now finite control at this position, first B, because finite controller want to find out first B corresponding this first A. Okay, now see, this is a first B. Now what machine will do is, if there is a first B, make it Y. Okay, we can take any symbol x, y, p, q, r, or anything. Okay, if there is a B, first B, make it Y and move left. L means left. If there is a first B, make it Y and now move left, because now this finite control is going to search for second A. Okay, now see, if there is input A, keep it A and move left. If there is A, keep it A and move left. If there is A, keep it A and move left. Why we are doing so? Because before A, we want to find out x. Okay, if there is A, keep it A and move here. if because there is a loop. If input is a, keep it a and move left. But whenever we'll get x, keep it x and move right. If there is x, keep it x and move right. Why? At this x ensure that we are just behind to the second a. This x ensure that we are just behind the second a. Okay, now if there is x, keep it x and move right. If x, keep it x means will not change in x. Make it x and move right. If there is x, make it x, keep it x and move right. If there is a, now we are at this position. Now the same procedure will repeat again. If input is a, keep it x and move right. Move right. If input is a, make it x and move right for corresponding second b. Okay, means this finite controller will cross all a and all y because this is searching for second b. Okay, now that is why I am writing here, if there is a, do not change in a, keep it a and move right. If there is a, keep it a and move right. If there is a, keep it a and move right. There may be a number of a, that is why there is a loop. Okay, if a, keep it a and move right. Now see, there may be y also. If y, then keep it y and move right, because we are searching for corresponding second b. Okay, there is a y. If y, then keep it y, move right. If there is a y, keep it y and move right. Right? Okay, now we are receiving here b, corresponding second b has received. Okay, now if there is input b, make it y and move left. That is why I am writing, if there is a b, make it y and move left. And now we are at state q2. If input is b, make it y and move left. Now we are at state q2. Okay, now we are going left in the left direction. Why? Because now we are going to search for next a, third a. Okay, okay, now what we have to do is, if there is a y, keep it y and move left. Cross all y and all a until we'll receive first x. Then if y, keep it y, move left. If a, keep it a, move left. If there is y, keep it y and move left. If there is a, keep it a and move left. Why? If there is a, keep it a and move left. Why we are moving left? Why we are moving left? Because we are searching for x. Okay. If there is a, keep it a and move there, left. There is a, keep it a and move left. Now if we receive x, then keep it x and move right, because this, if we receive x, then it ensures that we are just behind the next a, just behind the third a. Then keep it x and move right, means machine is now searching for third a. Machine has received third a. Now when machine will receive third a, now the whole process will repeat again. If this is a, then make it x and move right. If this is a, then make it x and move right. Then move right. Now what we have to do? Now we will search for corresponding third b. That is why cross all a and all y, because I am searching for corresponding third b. If there is a, keep it a and move right. Na? If there is a, keep it a and move right. If there is a, keep it a and move right. If there is a y, then again keep it y and move right. We are searching, because we are searching for corresponding third b. That is why I am writing, if there is a y, keep it y and move right. There is a y, if input is on the tape, there is a y, then make it y, do not change. Keep it y and move right. If there is a y, keep it y and move right. There may be a number of y, that is why this is the loop. There is y, then keep it y and move right. There is a y on tape, keep it y and move right. If there is a y, keep it y and move right. Okay. Now what we'll see, now we have received the corresponding third B corresponding to this third A. Now see, after receiving B, make it Y and move left. After receiving B, what we have to do after receiving this B, what we have to do is make it Y and move left. Because why? Now we are going to search for next A. Okay. But what we have to do is first cross all Y, then all A, and we'll search for first X. Now this is the first X. Okay. Now if Y, keep it Y and move left. If it is a Y, keep it Y, move left. If it is A, keep it A and move left, because you are searching for X, first X. If there is Y, keep it Y and move left. There may be many number of Y, that is why there is a loop. If Y, make it Y, move left. If there is A, keep it A and move left. There is A. If there is a Y, keep it Y and move left. And if there is A, keep it A and move left. If there is A, keep it A and move left, because we are searching for first X. Keep it A and move left, because you are searching for first X. Now first X is received. Now it is very sure that we are just behind the fourth A. Now if X, keep it X and move right. If it is X, then keep it X and move right. Now machine has understand that this is the fourth A has received. Now we are at this position. If X, keep it X and move right. Now we are at this position, Q0, Q0. Now this procedure will repeat again. If input is A, make it X and move right. Yeah, input is A, then make it X and move right. Now there is a number of Y, then cross all Y, because we are searching for, now machine will search for fourth B corresponding to this fourth A. Corresponding to this fourth A, machine want to search fourth B, because in this language there are equal number of A and equal number of B. Now machine will search for corresponding fourth B. For this particular fourth A, corresponding fourth A, machine will search for fourth B. Now machine will cross all Y. Okay. If there is A, make it X, move right. If there is A, make it X and move right. Now it is a Y. Now machine will cross all Y. If there is a Y, keep it Y and move right. If there is a Y, keep it Y and move right. There may be many number of Y. That is why there is a loop. Y, make it Y and move right. If Y, make it Y and move right. Now machine is searching for fourth B corresponding to fourth A. Now see, this is a Y. If Y, then make it Y and move right. Move right. If Y, make it Y and move right. Now if machine will receive B, then make it Y and move left. After receiving B, machine will understand that fourth B is received corresponding to this fourth A. Now what machine will do is, it will make, if there is a B, then make it Y and move left. Make it Y and move left. Move left. Now what machine will do? Machine will cross all Y. Okay. And if there is a also, then cross all A also to search for first X, because there may be 5A and 5B also. Okay. Now see, if there is a Y, keep it Y and move left. If there is a Y, keep it Y and move left. Move left. There may be many number of Y, that is why loop. With Y, keep it Y and move left. Y, keep it Y and move left. Now again, if there is a Y, keep it Y and move left. If there is a Y, keep it Y and move left. And now we are at the same state, Q2. Now what machine will do is, if there is a X, then keep it X and move right. If there is X, keep it X and move right. Now it is very sure that we are at just behind to the next A, or if there is A remain. Otherwise machine will understand that all input is finished. Now if there is a x, keep it x and move right. If there is a x, keep it x and move right. Okay. Now see, if there is input a, make it x, move right. But then this is not a. So machine will understand that all a is over. Okay. Means there is no a, there is simply y, means all a's are over. Now make sure that all b's are over or not. Okay, then what we have to do is, if there is y, keep it y and move right. If there is y, keep it y and move right, to ensure that all b is also finished. If there is a y, keep it y and move right. Now we are at state q3. If y, keep it y and move right, and this is a loop. If y, keep it y, move right, and we are at state q3. If y, keep it y and move right, move right. Okay. Now if y, keep it y and move right, y, keep it y and move right. Now see, if we are receiving b blank, then keep it blank and move left. If there is a b, then keep it b and move left, and machine will halt here. And now it is very sure that there are equal number of a and equal number of b, means machine will halt here. Okay, means this input is accepted by this machine. This input means 4 times a, 4 times b is accepted by this machine, and this input should be accepted by this machine. Okay. Similarly, 3 times a, 3 times b, 2 times a, 2 times b, single a, single b, 5 times a, 5 times b, all these strings are present in this language, so these all string will be accepted by this machine. But if you will take 4 times a and 5 times b, or 5 times a, 4 times b, this will not be accepted by this machine. Okay. A machine will halt here at q2, q1, q0 or q3, means that particular string is not accepted by the machine. Okay. This is all about this is also called transition diagram. Okay, and this is also called Turing machine, and this is the Turing machine for this language, and this is the important question. Okay, thank you.